This is a video to help teachers enter their HGSS rubric scores into EduClimber. The first thing you need to do is log into EduClimber. So to do that, our district ID is 1383. We need to be using the early access. Let's click on that and click sign in with Google. Choose your account. And now you're in EduClimber. So in order to enter scores into EduClimber, we need to have assessment windows. And the assessment windows will be right up here in the upper left-hand corner. And it'll say the number of windows that are open. So in this case, we have one open window. The windows are going to be open the entire length of each trimester. So this one's open. It'll close the last day of the trimester. And the next one will open up that next day. So let's go ahead and enter some scores. So click the one open window, choose your assessment, it's HGSS, hit continue. Then we'll use these drop down boxes. You can do it by grade or by course. I'm going to do it by grade. So I'm going to choose a school, choose a high school. If you're at an elementary school, you want to choose an elementary school like Riverside. And you see it automatically populates the 4th grade. And let's go back to high school because there's more kids in there. So I'm going to go back to the high school. Populates the 11th grade, and your kids and your students will populate. Notice I have mine in top secret mode. So these are my students. So to enter scores, what you do is you enter them over here in the dark blue. So let's say this first student on claim and thesis got a 2. On evidence, they got a 3. And on reasoning, they got a 2. And you just go down and enter scores for every one of your students until you're done. And the students that appear in your list are just the students you have access to in your class. So that is how you enter scores for the HGSS assessment. I hope this helps. If you have questions, please reach out and I'll see if I can